Hey, how's it going, guys? Just got our 1996 Ford Fairmont Ghia here. We're just going to be doing a pod install into the factory airbox. So we've got a couple of clips on the airbox here, two on the right, one on the bottom, one on the left, and one on the top. So we're just going to unfasten this clamp here. Just recording this after the fact as it was fucking windy today. Alright, pop that off. Clip. Last clip on the back here. Wriggle that out. Alright, time to get the panel filter out. Get underneath it here. Pull it out. File it to the side. Alright, so this is where the pod's going to be mounted on here. So we've had to cut about half of this rubber off. And the pod's just going to slide on there. Alright, so essentially that's how it's going to look. I'm gonna have to jimmy that in a bit more, but other than that, then we just gotta fasten this clamp here and it should be gold. So this is all fastened up, ready to go in, making sure everything's tight. Everything looks good. So now we whack it in. It's all clipped up, all good to go. And that'll be the pod install. Alright, see you next week, guys.